This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very, very simple layout. And as you can see, a lot of short drama clips which you can watch. You can also go in the trending section and look for what also other people that are watching. Also, you're gonna see the new ones in this section here. You can just scroll across to see all the sections that are available. And as you can see here, and as well, you can get the top here where it's the search option here and search for what you want. And as you can see there, you can search for you can see what other people are watching and also searching for. So it all depends upon you what you want to watch. So you have the For You option here, which is pretty much like a YouTube Shorts type. You can also tap on watch all to see all the episodes that they have in this short clip movie here. You can choose whichever episode you want to watch next. But if I don't go in that section, it won't show anything, so I won't go in that section. So down here you have the picks as well. It's pretty much the same thing as it relates to the series. And you can pretty much this as your favorite episode. And you can see down here how much episode this movie pretty much has. As you can see here, quite a lot of episodes which you can watch for this movie. So, short clip, I should say.
You don't even know how
So as you can see here in the favorite section, this is where pretty much all your favorite movies will go, and also anything that you have watched on this application will show in the history section. So in the profile icon, nothing much for this. Usually some of these applications requires you to use coins, subscription, but let me tell you, this one, you don't need subscription, coins, nothing at all. You pretty much will just only see ads. So very, very good application. I recommend you guys trying this one out. And if I miss anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help out. Hope I see you guys in the next tutorial.